Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As you know, Selenium is one of most popular and famous software automation testing tool. Selenium supports multiple languages like Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, JavaScript and also many more. So Selenium IDE has record and playback capability. So we'll record our test using Selenium IDE. Thereafter we'll export that script as a Selenium Python script. Thereafter we'll take that script in PyCharm IDE. Then we'll run that test as a Selenium WebDriver script. In this process, you don't need to write any code by yourself. All will done automatically. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. First we'll launch Selenium IDE, then we'll record and run a test. Thereafter we'll convert Selenium IDE test to Python Pytest script, then run converted script from PyCharm as a WebDriver script. In order to do that, we have some prerequisite. You need to install Python on your system, then PyCharm IDE install. Thereafter Selenium for Python install is a pip install Selenium command. Then also we need Pytest install in PyCharm IDE as a package. So those you need to install in order to run Python test in Selenium. So I have a separate video for Python PyCharm IDE install in my channel. You can take a look and you will get, it's a simple, you can get an idea from there how to install. That's all about for today's tutorial. I'll show you. So first we need to open Selenium IDE. My IDE is installed as a Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any browser like Firefox, Chrome or Microsoft Edge. All are supported. Here in the toolbar, as it is installed, you see there is a Selenium IDE. Click over there. IDE will open and pop up in this option. Record a new test in a new project, open an existing project, then create a new project, then close Selenium IDE. All four actions you can do from here. So we'll go with the first option, click over here, record a new test in a new project. Then it is asking the project name. Project name basically depends on which project you are working on. As a demonstration purpose, I can put it as a project 1. Then you need to click OK. Thereafter it is asking the URL. We'll do some basic search on Google for our scripting purpose. So that's why I'm making copy Google URL. So paste it over here, then click start recording. Now browser is open. You see in the bottom right corner, Selenium IDE is recording. That means whatever action you will perform in this browser, IDE will record all of those things. So let's search with the keyword Selenium Python, then click Google search. Search result appear. Now we'll close the browser. Then we'll stop our recording over here. Now it is asking the test name. Let me put the test name as a Google search. Then click OK. It is our test. First, we need to verify this test is working or not. In order to verify that, we need to run it from here. You see the run current test. Click over here. It is running, browser open, search with that specific keyword, and it is successfully. Google search completed successfully. Thereafter, navigate to your test name. If you mouse over, you see there is a 3-dot button on right side. Click over there. Then there is the export option. Click over here. Here is multiple way you can export your test to script. So now Python Pytest our target. You can also do anything Java you need, JavaScript, Mocha, Ruby, all whatever option you have, you can do all those things. So it is selected Python Pytest, then click export. Now it will asking for location where you want to save this test. Is a Python file. I have a Python project in desktop. We'll put it there. Python project test Google search.py. Click save. So it is saved. So minimize the Selenium IDE. Open the PyCharm. You see already I put the test in my Python project. It is already appeared in my Python IDE test Google search. Double click over here. This is our test. Now, basically, sometimes page load it takes little time. That's why you need to put some wait time in between that. Otherwise, it might fail because it runs so fast. So let me put the wait time dot sleep. Let's say 5 seconds. Also, before closing, we can do another wait time dot. It is not necessary to put that wait time, just for to show all the navigation in the browser. So we can put that wait time. Once it is done, then you can run your test from here. So current file, you can run, right click, run Python test, click over here. So it is running. You see, browser open, and it's navigated to google.com, and it will search with the Python Selenium. Yeah, Selenium Python. Search result appear. Now it will close the browser. It is taking little time because I put 5 seconds wait time in between that. You see, it is completed and pass completed successfully. That means in before Selenium IDE 4, you need to write all those code. Now you don't need to write any code. You just record with the Selenium IDE that test converted with multiple script. So it is basically, it will save you a lot of time, and manually once you write your code it might some mistake, but once you record then export to the specific language, there is no issue. You don't even need to write any code. In this way you can do multiple tests without writing any code. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing as well as software automation testing using Selenium Python, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.